Do you want to change the Instagram grid view to square? You can change the Instagram rectangle view to square with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your Instagram grid layout to a square. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Instagram profile page. Here, you will see all of your posts in a rectangle view. If you wish to change the rectangular grid to a square view, just open the post you want to change the preview for. Remember, you can only change specific posts, one by one. At the top right of the post, tap on the three dots menu icon. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. From the menu, find and select Adjust Preview. Now, at the bottom of the screen, tap the Fit button. Your rectangular picture will now change to a square. If you wish to change the background, you can add one by selecting Background. Once you're satisfied with your post, tap the Apply button. Now, the preview image of this specific post will be changed to a square.